Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove image background from Canva. Now the first thing you do is open up your Canva application, which is exactly what I did by typing on www.canva.com, or if you already have the app installed on your PC, you can simply open the app and sign in. Now I want to remove the background from a design. Now I gotta design one and remove the background, or I pick up an already existing design. So in my case, I want to pick another existing design, so I pick this one for example. Now I want to remove the background, so the next thing you do is highlight it by tapping on it, and then this all will open, but this actually is not what I need. What I actually need is to remove the background. So let's do that again. Just tap on it once, and then we have this option for BG removal, that is the background removal. Unfortunately, when I tap on it, I can't use it because I'm not a premium user. I'm not ready to give it a try for 30 days. But I believe you should be a premium user, or you should be able to you should be using the free trial. Even in those two, then all you have to do is click on the image. After clicking on the image and start clicking on background removal, which is this one over here, by clicking on it, so Canva will automatically detect and remove the background. If needed, you might have to use the erase and restore tools to fine-tune your selection. Then once you're through with removing the background, click on apply to confirm the changes. Download your image with a transparent background. It's as simple as that. So for best results, use high quality images with clear subjects and background contrasts. It should not be too similar. That's difficult for the AI to detect which is the background and which is the subject of the image. The next thing, the background removal tool works best with solid or simple backgrounds. So if the image background is so complicated, it might not be as perfect as it should be after removing the background. Next, you can also adjust the opacity of the image to see the background more clearly while you are editing. By following these steps, you can easily remove image backgrounds in Canva and create professional looking designs. I hope you found this video helpful on how to remove image background on Canva. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you found it helpful. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.